All right, I am going to really quickly show you how to make a Google Meet for your office hours and for seminar. So to get to Google Meet, you're just going to click on your menu of options here for the Google Apps and click on Meet. Then you will click Join or Start a Meeting and give your meeting a nickname. I'm going to call mine Pressful Office Hours. And then click Continue. It will immediately open you up to a meeting. From here, you have two ways to share this with students. So you can either highlight this link, and I would like you to put it in this document. So I already have mine right here. Or you can give them that meeting nickname. So they can just go to Google Meet and type that in to find it. A helpful tip for you so that you can find this easier is to add it to your desktop. So if you click on here and then click More Tools, you can click Create a Shortcut. And I'm going to again call it Pressful Office Hours. But I've already done this, so it's going to show up with a second one for me. So I'm going to click Create. And then drag this to my desktop. You could also add this to your task manager at the bottom. So I'm going to replace the existing one because I have one already. And then I'm going to leave this meeting because I don't need it right now. And if you go to your desktop, then here we go. I have a place where I can always click this to go to my office hours. And when I click on that, it'll immediately open me up to the same place that I was before with that same link. If you have any questions about setting up your Google Meet, please let me know. I'm happy to help you out. See you later. Have a great day.